Hello, my name is Petros Metsai and I'm a PhD student in the Plastic Underground Doctoral Network at University Claude Bernard in Lyon. Plastic Underground is a network of international students with different backgrounds trying to deliver cross-sectoral solutions to microplastic and nanoplastic pollution in soil and groundwater ecosystems. Microplastics are plastic particles with sizes less than 5 millimeters. Most of you have heard of them from in marine environments, but they have polluted also terrestrial environments and freshwater environments, and so they can reach groundwater. Now you might be wondering why this matters. Groundwater is an important drinking water source because it's supplying more than 2 billion people around the world with fresh water. It is naturally recharged by infiltration of surface water through soil, stream beds, or wetlands. However, sometimes this is not enough to meet the increasing water demands. Therefore, artificial recharge like infiltration basins is used in order to enhance groundwater supply. But by using infiltration basins, every pollutant and microplastic that has ended up in the surface water finds its way to groundwater and has an impact on our water quality. So my research is all about understanding the transport mechanisms of microplastics from surface water to groundwater and how they affect water quality. Through laboratory and field experiments, I'm going to assess groundwater vulnerability and the impact of microplastics on groundwater quality. Also, I seek to identify the mechanisms by which different sediment layers retain microplastics and how they affect the ecological functioning of the water-sediment interface, as it is crucial given the interface's role in the purification of water. Thank you for watching.